Hi everyone, my name is Diego, and in this video we're going to configure Taurus with JMeter in order to use this in our Jenkins job. So Taurus is a really powerful tool to run our automated tests. I'm going to give you the link to the Taurus here in the description, but now we're going to make a real example here with JMeter. So the first thing we need to do is the installations, but here I made the steps for this Docker container that we were using in this course. So the first step is to connect with our Jenkins container in order to install Taurus. So let me connect as a super user, because we need to install Taurus. Interactive terminal. This is the Jenkins image. Yes. And here we're going to install Taurus. I'm going to put this step in the description. So we need first Python 3, and we need first to update before install Python. Well, let me put this step here. Okay. And then we need other libraries. And let me, I don't know if this is going to take a while, so maybe I should pause the video, and I will show you when this it is setting up. I think it is going to take just a little time. So in the last video we used JMeter to how to create automatic test with JMeter. Now we're going to integrate that script that we made with JMeter with Taurus. So let me install just a few more dependencies here. And the idea of that is because Taurus, with Taurus you can make more analytics that only with JMeter. We need this also. Let me see. And zip version. I think this step is not necessary, so let me install this. I'm going to put this as optional. This is not. These two steps are not necessary. No. We're going to put this, and I'm going to put this step in the description. So while this is installing, I'm going to show you what is this tool like. So it's just a layer that we put in front of JMeter to get more details. And here I'm going to put in the description the link to this repository too. We have how to configure Taurus with JMeter. It's really simple. You only need to put what is the path of your JMeter file. This is the same file that we made in the last video, and well, here is some basic configuration, and here the important thing is the criteria. This is how you tell to Taurus when you consider that execution is marked as successful or fail in this case. So for example, if we have more than 1% of failures, that will be a fail, and that is the same, or we have less than 100% of successful execution, this will mark as fail. So this is how you can configure Taurus with JMeter. Let me see if this is still installing. Let me open a new window in order to use our test environment here. And for example, if this is going to take a while, I don't know if we can pause the video. Yes, it's okay. I think it's okay. Let me see. Yes. Well, we have installed Taurus, so this is optional, and this is the only step that we need here. I'm going to put this step in the description. Well, the first step is to connect to our Docker container. In this case, let me put this. Let me write this. Okay, and this is the image ID of your container. Yes. Well, now the other thing that we need here in Jenkins is to add a plugin. It's really simple. You click here in Manage Jenkins, and here in the plugin section, we need this plugin that is Performance Plugins. It's really simple. You only need to check in the available plugins. In my case, I have this already installed. So that's all you need to use Jenkins with Taurus. Well, now we have Taurus installed. The next thing to do is to make a freestyle project, for example, like this, and let me put a name here. Freestyle Taurus. And here we need the URL of the repository. That will be this repository, and the repository here, and here is the link to our repository. So this is a Jenkins with Taurus example. We need to keep a few days, and here in the Git section we put our repository, and then we need to add a step that is our performance test here. Oh no, sorry, you have two ways to do this, but the most simple way, because we're going to add more steps to this job, we're going to use the shell execution, because it's the really common way to run to add more steps to a job. So in order to keep consistent with the next video, we're going to use this. So we only need to pass the path to this yml file, and that is all you need. I'm going to save this, we can build now. Let me see if everything is okay. Well, here we have the repository, and yes, here for example we have 100% of failures because our test environment is not up and running. So you can see here the execution is marked as failure, and here you notice that the execution failed. So now we're going to make a successful test. Let me put this. Okay, I'm going to put the link to this repository too in the description. So now let me see, this should be work. We can make a new build, and let me see, Taurus, now we have 0% of failures, and this execution is success. So this is the way in which you can use Taurus to run automated tests or to run performance tests in your CI process. So in the next video we are going to put all together the PHP unit with the quality gates, with this automatic test, in order to make our continuous integration process. So thank you for your time, and I hope we can continue with this together. Bye bye. Let me do this.